की। ओम नमः शिवाय गुरवे सच्चिदानंदमूर्ते। ओम नमः शिवाय गुरवे सच्चिदानंदमूर्ते। ओम नमः शिवाय गुरवे सच्चिदानंदमूर्ते। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धास्सु ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मृतं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं नन्दाततं गगनसदृशं तत्मस्वदिलक्षम् एकं नित्यं विमलवचलं सर्वदिशाक्षिभूतं भवातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। ॐ नमः शिवाय गुरवे सच्चिदानन्दमूर्ते। ॐ नमः शिवाय गुरवे सच्चिदानन्दमूर्ते। ॐ नमः शिवाय गुरवे सच्चिदानन्दमूर्ते। हरिः ओम तत्सत्। हरिः ओम तत्सत्। हरिः ओम तत्सत्। गणानां गणपति गणेश लंबोदर सोए भुजाचार एकदंत चंद्रमा ललाट राजे ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश कालदय ध्रुपद गावे अति विचित्र गणनाथ आज मृदंग बजावे धट धराध धर धर प्रधान दिन 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 नागे 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 धन धन तिन तिन ताके नाना तद्रिग न धृग धृग दिनागे दिनागे ता कृतक धरा न तरा न धा कृतक धरा न तरा न धा कृतक धरा न तरा न। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्युर्मा अमृतगमय। Let me kindly light amid the encircling gloom. 8th June 2026, Monday morning. Gautam Komal Gandhas presents through Meta Facebook Live to do my tabla riyaz practice. I offer my floral tribute to the lotus feet of my spiritual Guru Maharaj Ji, Lord Swami Tripsaranand Maharaj Ji. Then I dedicate my tabla riyaz to the all gharanas such as an ancient old gharana, Delhi gharana, Punjab gharana, then Ajrara gharana, Farrukhabad gharana, Lucknow gharana, Banaras gharana, West Bengal Vishnupur gharana, Bihar Patna and Darbhanga gharana, and at last West Bengal capital city of joy Kolkata's gharana too. I always recall whom I came in contact with the tabla mridang pakhavaj maestros in our country. At the very childhood, I came in contact with Pandit Bhola Prasad Ji of Vishnupur Gharana, Mridang Pakhavaj, Martand and tabla maestro. Then I came in close contact with Patna's great tabla maestro Pandit Kapil Dev Singh Ji, who was disciple of Pandit Kanthe Maharaj and Pandit Kishan Maharaj Ji too. Then I came in close contact, but I didn't learn tabla. I just traveled with them and I had close association with all the tabla maestros who used to come to our house while we were staying in Patna. Pandit Kishan Maharaj Ji his great uncle Pandit Kanthe Maharaj Ji, Pandit Shamta Prasad alias Gudai Maharaj Ji. Then I very closely came in contact with legend maestro Vijay tabla player of West Bengal, Pandit Shankar Ghosh Ji. I travelled throughout the country with Pandit Shankar Ghosh, Pandit Shanta Prasad and Pandit Kishan Maharaj Ji too. This was my passion and hobby to accompany them. And it was I was well privileged to accompany with them due to, and just after over my college life, I got a job in the Indian Railways. Therefore, I could have travelled with my railway pass, and in course of travelling with all the tabla maestros, I got a 1 day and 2 days official work, and even I took casual leave to accompany with all the tabla maestros, and I was so lovable with Pandit Shankar Ghosh Ji, Pandit Shamta Prasad Ji and Kishan Maharaj Ji too. So I heard their tabla performances, even their riyaj, solo performances on the stage, or even accompaniment with the dance, instruments or vocal music. So these are the unforgettable golden memories which I am carrying right from the childhood. And I always remember those tabla maestros whom I closely contact. I must name Pandit Sharda Sahai Ji of Banaras, Gharana Pandit Lakshu Maharaj Ji, Pandit Mahadev Mishra, who was great tabla player and as well as he was a very good classical Thumri singer. We lost last year Pandit Chanulal Mishra Ji, great Thumri maestro, Thumri singer. So I always recall all the great legendary Hindustani Marg Sangeet, all the learned classical vocalists, instrumentalists and tabla maestros too. So dear friends, just I followed them. So in the memory of, yes, I must name who established tabla in the Bengal in Kolkata, Ustad Masjid Khan Sahab, his legendary son Ustad Karamatullah Khan, and his grandson who was my very good friend. We lost him last month, Ustad Sabir Khan, Khalifa of Tabla. And I must recall Pandit Kanai Datta, Pandit Shamul Ghosh, Pandit Shankar Ghosh Ji, who was my mentor guru, and I was very much lovable as he called me the younger brother Gautam, and I always called him Dada. So, and after that, all the students, they become their guru. So he told us to call guru. So, but I was free to call him Dada Guru too. So I was very lucky just to have this type of legendary maestro musicians, which I can't forget. It is always carrying at my heart. These are the beautiful, memorable days which I always spent with them. During my service life, while I was staying in Patna, I started organizing classical music concerts in the auditorium situated in Patna. In my lifetime, I organized Pandit Ravi Shankar ji in the year 1982 with the help of my great Dada friend organizer Bipin Bihari Sinha ji. On 5th February, there was Saraswati Puja's day, Basant Panchami. Pandit Ravi Shankar ji, he played Rag Basant Pancham 2.5 hours, and the unforgettable tabla accompaniment by Ustad Allah Rakha ji. That cassette which I am having, that cassette, sometime I used to listen that cassette, and there just next year, consequently next year, in the year 1983, I took initiative with the help of and my association, Indian Cultural Center, whose president, Mr. Surinderjit Singh Ahluwalia ji, he was that time in Patna, and he was our president, and Mr. Shakhar Chattopadhyay, he was our vice president, and Upendra Shankar Vidyarthi ji, he was my vice president also, and I was general secretary of Indian Cultural Center, Patna branch. We together organized Ustad Ali Akbar Khan night on same day, 5th February 1983, and that great concert which can't be forgotten, which is always knocking, and beautiful memories which I am still carrying. That cassette also I have. Ustad Ali Akbar Khan Sahab, he played 2.5 hours, more than 2 hours. He played Rag Puriya Dhanasri, and Ustad Pandit Shankar Ghosh ji, he played tabla accompaniment with 8.5 matras, and thereafter Jhaptala 10 matras, then Tintal 16 beats, which is really memorable and unforgettable moments of that night. 2,500 music lovers were present as audiences, and prior to before beginning of Ustad Ali Akbar Khan's performance, we also gave a first Odissi dance program, as because Tarveen Mehra, that great Odissi dancer, her husband, Mr. K.C. Mehra, which I remember, Mr. K.C. Mehra, at that time he was Deputy Managing Director of Tisco Tata Company, and he was also present during his wife's beautiful performance as Odissi dance. And Mr. K.C. Mehra, I must say, Mr. K.C. Mehra, he was very close friend of Mr. Surinderjit Singh Ahluwalia ji. He helped by giving all the souvenir advertisement and banners, etc., to successfully organize that concert, Ali Akbar Khan night. So in this way, dear friends, I always recall them. I must name Ustad Latif Ahmed Khan of Delhi Gharana, Ustad Safad Ahmed Khan, and Lucknow Gharanas, the great tabla maestro, Ustad Ahmed Jan Tirakwa. He played all the Gharanas tabla notes, Bolmani, such as Pandit Shanta Prasad ji also played. And in the very, very childhood, with my father, I just slightly, shadowly remember the tabla played by Pandit Anokhelal Mishra ji, and his great son, is also tabla maestro, Pandit Ramji Mishra ji. Oh, I cannot forget their playing all the tabla bowls, Blooming Lies, Rose Flower. Pandit Shanta Prasad ji, Pandit Anokhelal Mishra ji, Pandit Lachu Maharaj, Pandit Sharda Sahai, and I must name Pandit Ashu Bhattacharya. He was specialized of Ayurvedic, and he was Ayurvedic doctor as well as great tabla player, Pandit Ashu Bhattacharya of Banaras. Yes, I must recall their name during my tabla riyaj. In this way, I also dedicate in their name. So, dear friends, in the course of playing tabla riyaj, I must name all the legend and tabla maestros, musicians, and all the vocalists. I must recall Pandit Basavaraj Rajguru ji, Pandit Devdhar Pandit ji, Pandit Vinay Bharatram ji, Pandit Bhimsen Joshi ji, Pandit Maniram ji, Pandit Jasraj ji. At the very childhood, I saw Pandit Omkar Nath Thakur in Banaras. I must say, all melodious vocalists. In the past, I must say Pandit Kumar Gandhar ji, Pandit Sri Ram Marathe ji, Pandit Narayan Rao Vyas ji, Pandit Vidyadhar Vyas ji, his son, Pandit Vinayak Rao Patwardhan ji, and his disciple, great singer Sunanda Patnaik ji. All I remember, and instrumentalists such as Ustad Rais Khan, Ustad Abdul Halim Zafar Khan Sahab, Pandit Ravi Shankar ji, Ustad Vilayat Hussain Khan Sahab, Ustad Imrat Hussain Khan, Pandit Manoj Shankar ji, all great musicians which I can't forget till my last breath of life. Thank you, dear friends. In the Banaras, it is Uthan and Salami, Peshka, Shuruat, all these are involved in the other gharanas such as Farrukhabad, Ajrara, Delhi, Lucknow. Dhati Dhata Rigdatak Tarigda, Dhati Dhata Rigdatak Tarigda, Dhati Dhata Rigdatak Tarigda, Dhati Rigdatak Tarigda, Kridakta, 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 Tunna Kridakta, Dhati Dhata Rigdatak Tarigda, Dhati Dhata Rigdatak Tarigda, Kridakta, Kridakta, Tunna Kridakta, Dhati Dhata गिड़तकता धाती धातर गिड़तकतर गिड़धा धाती धातर गिड़तकतर गिड़धा धाती धातर गिड़तकतर गिड़धा गिड़तकता धाती धातर गिड़तकतर गिड़धा धाती धातर गिड़तकता धाती धागे न धातर गिड़धा गिड़तकता धाती धागे न धातर गिड़धा धाती धागे न धातर गिड़धा धाती धागे न धातर गिड़धा गिड़तकता धाती धागे न धातर गिड़धा धाती धागे न धातर These are the all Banaras Bol Bani. रियाज का जो है झिरकिट तिरकिट तेटे का इस्तेमाल किया जाना, प्रयोग करना रियाज में बहुत आवश्यक है। अब मगन होकर बजाओ, और जो भी कहते थे गुरु लोग कि एकदम खुल के बजाओ और एकदम बोलबानी स्पष्ट होना चाहिए, डिस्टिंक्ट होना चाहिए। प्रचलित ये कायदा कहिए, रॉ कहिए, इसमें पंडित शांता प्रसाद जी के हाथों से ये निकलता था। और बोल है, धार ताधे देटे धार धार धातिन नातिन नार तार ताधे देटे धार धार धातिन नातिन नार। और ये बजाते हुए वो कहा करते थे, अरे देखो देखो दिल्ली का कुतुब मीनार देखो, देखो देखो दिल्ली का कुतुब मीनार देखा। आहा, इतना सुंदर वो हर बोल उनके हाथों से एकदम बिल्कुल फूल, गुलाब का फूल, कमल का फूल जैसा खिल उठता था। और समझिए ये धार ताधे देटे धार धार धातिन नातिन नार तार ताधे देटे धार धार धातिन नातिन नार बजाते हुए बीच बीच में नाना नाना का प्रयोग, तक 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 का प्रयोग, तिरकिट का प्रयोग, धिरकिट का प्रयोग किया करते थे। और इतना खूबसूरती के साथ मगन होकर पंडित शांता प्रसाद उर्फ उदय महाराज जी के हाथों से, उंगलियों से, एकदम बादशाह तो थे ही और तबला के जादूगर माने जाते थे। और क्या बजाया करते थे, आहा, जो आज भी दिल में विराजमान है। competition, this Rela Pandit Shankar Ghoshji, he gave me, and flawlessly he was playing all the bowls, and he was very mathematically strong tabla player. And I must say Pandit Sapan Chaudhary ji also is one of the finest and very learned tabla player nowadays. I also name Pandit Kumar Bose at present, who is at the same age we are, but he is very qualified, learned tabla player. Pandit Kumar Bose, Pandit Sanjay Mukherjee, Pandit Anindo Chatterjee, and I must say my few friends, brothers, they are younger to me. There's Arup Chatterjee, Parimal Chakravarti, and they are disciple of Pandit Shankar Ghoshji. Nowadays, very younger little boy, they are also doing well. This Saurabh Guha, his father is my friend Pandit Jyoti Guhaji, is a very good harmonium player. Saurabh Guha and that Apurva Mukherjee, Kingshuk Mukherjee, they are doing well. Yes, I must name. His bowl is Dhadika Dheteta Dhadika Dheteta Dhadigena, Tatika Dheteta Dhadika Dheteta Dhadigena. These bowls are very useful, very important for doing riyaj, as because the fingers are free and movement of all the fingers, both the hand, 10 fingers, both the hand. It is very necessary to do this type of composition, this type of tabla bowls, rela, qaida, bat, this type of bowls are very useful, yes. Dhadika Dheteta Dhadika Dheteta Dhadigena Tatika Dheteta Dhadika Dheteta Dhadigena. The main bowl, then other varieties, 7 to 8 varieties I will play. In this way, I always love to follow all the maestros tabla playing from all the gharanas. I must recall Ustad Latif Ahmed Khan. His kinar was such a beautiful kinar. And Afaq Hussain Khaji Aha. This is also very good bowl from Farokhabad Gharana, which I also learned from Pandit Shankar Ghoshji. Then I took my own style. I just little bit added, invented in my style. The bowl is dhare gane nak tak dhare gane nak gine na gine tere gine tak tak dhare gine nak gine na gine, and closed form and open form, khuli and mudi, open and closed. And this sur, the in between kinar and this is called sur. This kinar and this sahai. Again in kinar, the stroke will be in the kinar. And adding this tirgit and radhigana. In Banaras, this is also very popular, and Pandit Shanta Prasad ji often on he used to play this Dik Dhina Tigid Dhina Dhagina Dik Tinada Tik Tina Tigid Dhina Dhagina Dik Tinada. And in Farrukhabad, Pandit Shankar Ghosh ji, Pandit Gyan Prakash Ghosh ji, Pandit Shamal Ghosh, Pandit Kanai Datta, all the tabla players from this Farrukhabad Gharana, Ustad Karamatullah Khan Sahab, his son Khalifa, Ustad Sabir Khan, all they played this Nati Gati Nana Gena Gena Nati Dhara Tunna Nati Gati Nana Gena Gena Nati Dhara Tunna. This nothing to do. Nowadays I see that they play Dik Dina Tigid Dina Nadi Gati Nana Gena Dik Tina Tigid Dina Nadi Gati Nana Gena Dik Dina Tigid Dina Nadi Gati Nana Gena Dik Tina Tigid Dina Nadi Gati Nana Gena. But Pandit Shankar Ghosh ji, he always this Vela, he played Nadi Gati Nana Gena Gena Rati Dada Tuna Nati Gati Nana Gena Gena Rati Dada Dina. Much more riyaj to play this type of bowl. And from here the laggi starts. Pandit Shanta Prasad ji, this Dhatindara, Pandit Anukhelal ji, his son Pandit Ramji Mishra ji, this Dhatindara. And I must name Ustad Nijamuddin Khan Sahab. He was Samrat Nawab of playing all this Rela Laghi. Oh, he was finest tabla accompanist as a while he was playing, while he was accompanying with the Thumri, Dadra, Kadri, Chaiti, this type of songs. Ghazal, yes. So I must recall Nadin Jinnah, Pandit Anukhelal Mishra ji and his son Pandit Ramji Mishra ji, Pandit Uday Maharaj, last Pandit Shanta Prasad ji, that great Nadin Jinnah. I just try myself to play. This is the style of playing Nadin Jinnah. Here now I have 10 minutes time to play that great Dhagati Nagana Takati Nagana played by Pandit Shanta Prasad of Uday Maharaj ji. While he was playing this Dhagati Nagana Takati Nagana Dhati Ginagana Dhati Ginagana Dhati Ginagana Dhati Gina Dhati Ginagana Dhati Ginagana Dhati Gina Dhakitu Nagana Takati Nagana Dhakitu Nagana Takati Nagana. I'm playing this type of Vela, and he used to off and on play Tirkit using Dhirkit. I always recall Pandit Shanta Prasad ji. Now this is 12 o'clock in the noon. So, dear friends, here I would love to stop and chant once again Guru Mantra and Shanti Mantra 2. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. अगड्डमण्डलाकारं दत्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धास्यो ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मृतं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं नन्दातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्मस्वदिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदिशाक्षिभूतं भवातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तन्नमामि। ओम नमः शिवाय गुरवे सच्चिदानन्दमूर्तये। ओम नमः शिवाय गुरवे सच्चिदानन्दमूर्तये। ओम नमः शिवाय गुरवे सच्चिदानन्दमूर्तये। हरिः ओम तत्सत्। हरिः ओम तत्सत्। हरिः ओम तत्सत्। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदः पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया। जय श्री श्री गुरु महाराज जी की जय। जय परम गुरु महाराज जी की जय। जय ठाकुर माँ स्वामी जी महाराज जी की जय। जय महावीर वीर हनुमान जी की जय। जय सियासुधी रामचंद्र जी की जय। जय महामाई की जय। जय माँ गंगा माई की जय। जय भागवत भक्त भगवान की जय। जय आज का आनंद की जय।